Sanibonani and welcome back to another video update on Uthando Nesthembu. As we guys all know that uMakhwela has finally showed us ukuthi umntwana ukhona, because there were allegations or speculations ukuthi umntwana usezelwe, even though thina sazi ukuthi usakhulelwe ngokwe-show. Hayi basakhona ke abaso confused whether the child is a boy or a girl. Khona ngathi basho bathi umfana, kodwa khona bathi hayibo ngathi intombazane, because apparently ingane bathi ifana nosisi omdala. And it seems like nje kuma comments it's like almost 90% of people saying ukuthi ingane ifana nosisi omdala, usne, the cheeks, the head, everything. Mina nje what matters is the fact that indaba number 5 is actually true, because guys, remember, people were telling us left, right and center ukuthi this whole thing is just a storyline. Number 5 akekho, uMakhwela is actually a paid actress othengiwe nje ukuthi apose as number 5 ukuze nje kube ne drama on the show. But this proves ukuthi ngempela ukhona number 5, inengane ikhona, ungenile shiqi ongakakhola. Guys, angazi yokhola ngani. Okay, let's look at some of the few comments about what people are saying about the newest member of the Mseleku family and ke ingane yokuqala ya number 5. Primrose yena uthi, yo, looks like Snare. I hope he won't have amnesia like her aunt. And then Ukhosi uthi, looks like big sister Snare. And then Unombe uthi, a very true copy of Snare. Yo, I hope and pray he or she doesn't copy Snare's behavior. It's rotten. Okazwideke yena uthi, wayemthandiswa noma wayemzondiswa wavele wamkhipha njengoba enjalo uManenezi. Unontsikelelo ke yena uthi, ingamfuzi nje uSnare ngengqondo uNkulunkulu wami. OkaMamthembu uthi yena yawuSnare nje ingane. Umpumelelo yena uthi uzelwe kabusha uMafungasi. Uthandi uthi ufana noSnare lengane. And then uNqobile uthi hayibo kuyafana noSnare lokhu. Hi guys, ngiyabona ukuthi almost everyone is saying the same thing, but ke ingane iyashintsha nje samncane izophinda ifana nalo. As long as you're healthy bakithi, I am just happy to finally see ukuthi okay, some of the people eMzumbe baneqiniso, and then ke meseba khona abanganalo iqiniso. We only want the truth, guys. Masimcela nje eMzumbe ukuthi velani neqiniso. Please do not come if you don't know the whole story. Please do not come in the comment section uzositshela lokhu nalokhu, knowing very well ukuthi lento oyikhulumayo nje ayikho. So ke sana, let's keep it cute, let's keep it respectful, and most importantly, let's keep it honest, especially nina abantu baseMzumbe, siyanicela please.